Something's happened. Something might have happened. They don't look like they're on a tea break. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. You fucker. Oh shit. Pidgey 187 got me good. Fucked up my handlebars. Look at that. The fuck has he been eating this morning? That car just undertook that cyclist. And then, look what happens. Trundalundalun. That's some fucking COVID distancing now. Since you're not here, I'll take your space. Fucking the guy was in a different postcode. Oh, somebody left a comment saying that I'm giving bikers a bad name because I called that driver an idiot, the one that was parked in the motorcycle bay, and the fuck was arguing back. He fucking deserved it. Anyway, yeah, I gave a response. It was a good response, and it sums up how I feel. Here's what I've got to say. People who judge all based on the actions of few, their opinion does not matter to me. It's an ignorant person who said, "Oh, all bikers are bad." You know, a very ignorant person. So I don't play that game. I don't play that silly, "You're making us all look bad" game. Fuck off. And everything I did, I felt was completely justified in that scene anyway. So A, what I'm trying to say is A, I don't give a shit, and B, I was justified in what I said. Hi, you're in a motorcycle bay and I need to chain up here.
2 seconds later.
Oh, got a conflict of interests. He wants his space. He wants his space. It's not fucking NASA. Alright? Wow, that's bullshit. This car just limping along. Oh, fuck off, mate. Oh, that taxi is fucked. I like that. I like having a rolling takeoff. It's a great feel. Must be less stress on the engine. Because if you like to gamble, I tell you I'm your man. You win some, you lose some. It's all a game to me. Burp, 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 burp. Burp, 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 burp. How's your morning, premises? Just cleaning the biggest bird shit ever off my bike.